Today I'm going to teach you how to delete your profile picture in Zoom. This is useful if you want to remove your current photo and either start fresh with a new one or simply use Zoom's default avatar instead. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to zoom.es. Once you're on the Zoom website, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email address and password correctly to access your account. This step is essential as you'll need to be logged into your account to make any changes to your profile settings. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Zoom dashboard. From here, look for your profile avatar. This is typically the small circular image that represents your account. Click directly on your profile avatar. This action will take you to your profile page where you can view and manage various aspects of your Zoom account, including your profile picture. Now that you're viewing your profile, you'll see your current profile picture displayed. Look for the delete button associated with your profile picture. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on delete. This button is specifically designed to remove your existing profile picture from your account. After clicking the delete button, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. This is Zoom's way of making sure you really want to proceed with deleting your profile picture, as this action will remove the image from your account. The confirmation prompt helps prevent accidental deletions and gives you a moment to reconsider if needed. In the confirmation dialog box, you'll see two options. Click on Yes to confirm that you want to delete your profile picture. Once you click Yes, Zoom will process your request and remove the profile picture from your account. This happens almost instantly, and you'll notice that your profile no longer displays the previous image, and that's it. You've successfully removed your profile picture from Zoom. Your account will now display the default avatar until you decide to upload a new profile picture. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.